Here's a demo of airstitch's workflow management dashboard. You start with a very intuitive interface. Just type in what you need in English without any templates, without any coding, no drag and drop at all. This is really useful for sales and operations teams who handle tedious tasks every day that are very prone to human error. So here's an example where Retro Media Tech is hiring a Twitter influencer. Their current process is entirely manual, using Google Forms, copying data into Google Sheets, checking Twitter accounts manually, and sending custom emails depending on whether someone qualifies. So this is a very slow, repetitive process. And if you were technical, you could build something with Zapier with drag and drop flowcharts. But more people want to do this, and a lot of them aren't technical. And even if you are, each little mistake you make in a flowchart causes hours of new work that you have to do. So instead, this breaks down the process step by step. It selects the right tools, and all you have to do is press the connect button that prompts it to connect to these new platforms. Once connected, it completes the build and gives us a live Google form. So what happens now is when someone applies through a Google form, airstitch triggers a workflow. They check their Twitter handle, they write it onto the spreadsheet, and they send the appropriate email, depending on whether or not they have 100 Twitter followers. So in this case, Sahil is applying, and he does have 100 Twitter followers. And automatically, airstitch completes the data analysis input into the Excel sheet. And for example, Jesse does not have 100 Twitter followers, and airstitch correctly indicates that and will send the appropriate email to both Sahil and Jesse without any human input. So now Sahil has an email and Jesse has an email. So for example, Jesse got rejected from this manually based on airstitch's analysis because she did not have 100 followers, and that was a requirement that this company wanted to have for this job application. And automatically, this email includes a Calendly link and everything, and airstitch did that all by itself.